Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best vegan white chips is probably one of the most exciting discoveries for vegan bakers. These little gems offer the same sweet, creamy indulgence as traditional white chocolate chips, but without any dairy. Whether you're whipping up cookies, brownies, or muffins, these chips will add a touch of magic to your creations. Get ready to elevate your baking game and satisfy your sweet tooth with these delicious, dairy-free alternatives. Number 5. Pascha Organic Vegan White Chocolate Chip, 8-pack. Introducing Pascha White Chocolate Chips. These delicious chips are perfect for baking and snacking. They are a great choice for anyone looking for a vegan and gluten-free option. Made with plant-based ingredients, it's a treat you can feel good about. This product is suitable for those following a vegan lifestyle, offering a delightful taste without compromising your values. These chips are kosher and USDA certified organic. You can trust the quality and the ingredients. It's a choice that aligns with your dietary needs and preferences. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that it's gluten-free and non-GMO. This product is made with carefully selected ingredients. It's a healthy and delicious option for everyone. Each pack contains 7.1 ounces of these delightful chips, and you get a pack of 8. It's perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Enjoy it today. What we like. This white chocolate is made with freshly harvested cocoa beans, ensuring a rich and fresh flavor. It's also free from common allergens. If you're looking for a delicious and allergy-friendly option, this is the perfect choice for your baking needs. What people say. They melt well and taste great. These are the best vegan white chocolate chips I have found. They are perfect for baking. Number 4. Pascha Organic Vegan White Chocolate Baking Chips, 10 pounds. Welcome to the world of Pascha. This is a 10 pounds bulk pack of dairy-free, organic white baking chips. They are perfect for all your baking needs. The chocolate is made from bean to chip in Peru, using freshly harvested cocoa beans. This process locks in the fresh flavor, ensuring a superior taste. This white chocolate has a rich flavor, reflecting the natural organic cocoa butter and vanilla. It also includes organic tapioca and a touch of sea salt. The chips are made with only 7 organic ingredients, including organic cocoa butter, raw cane sugar, and vanilla. It's a simple recipe for delicious chocolate. These baking chips are USDA organic, UTZ certified, non-GMO, kosher, and vegan. They are also certified 1% for the planet. It's free of dairy, nuts, peanuts, wheat gluten, and soy. What we like. This bulk pack offers a generous amount of white chocolate chips, perfect for large-scale baking. It's also made with fresh cocoa beans and is free from common allergens. If you are a professional baker or someone who loves to bake in large quantities, this is the ideal choice. What people say. There is no added sugar in these delicious dark chocolate chips. The sweetener is stevia. I use these little morsels in cookies and brownies as well as melted and used as a frosting or glaze on chocolate peppermint cookies, fudge brownies, and with peppermint extract on crunchy rice cakes. I have tried several brands of chocolate chips over the years and these are my favorite. Very smooth, melt in your mouth, perfect amount of cacao, tasty. Number 3. Enjoy Life White Chocolate Mini Chips, 9 ounces. Introducing the Enjoy Life White Chocolate Mini Chips. This bag contains 9 ounces of delicious, dairy-free, and vegan white chocolate chips. They are perfect for all your baking needs. These mini chips are made in a dedicated nut-free and gluten-free facility. This makes them a safe and worry-free choice for everyone, especially those with allergies or sensitivities. Whether you're melting them, treating yourself, or adding them to your favorite recipes, these chips are incredibly versatile. Use them in desserts, snacks, or even breakfast treats. Enjoy Life chips are free from 14 common allergens, including wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, soy, and egg. It's a safe and delicious option for everyone. These chips are certified gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, vegan, and kosher. You can share them with confidence, knowing they meet the highest standards. Enjoy Life products are a great choice for everyone. They are free from many common allergens, making them safe enough to share and good enough not to. What we like. These mini chips are made in a dedicated nut-free and gluten-free facility, making them safe for those with sensitivities. They are also perfect for melting and adding to various treats. If you have multiple allergies or are looking for school-safe snacks, you should consider this. What people say. Better white chocolate flavor, similar to Lindt's flavor, very creamy. These are the best chocolate chips ever. The fact they are made with rice milk is awesome. I use them in cookies and also for melting to dip strawberries, bananas, and grapes. These Enjoy Life chocolate chips are guaranteed dairy and nut-free. They are absolutely delicious. The chocolate is rich and smooth, with a lovely, almost creamy flavor. Number 2. Yupik Berry Callebaut White Chocolate Chips. Introducing Yupik White Chocolate Chips, a sweet treat made with real cocoa butter. These small-sized chips are perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to your day. These white chocolate chips are crafted with cocoa butter, ensuring a smooth and rich flavor. The quality ingredients make it a great choice for any recipe. They are certified gluten-free and kosher dairy, making it a great choice for everyone. You can enjoy it with peace of mind. Perfect for baking cookies, brownies, and cakes. The chips melt smoothly, adding a creamy texture and sweet flavor to your baked goods. Not just for baking, it's also great for snacking or topping your favorite desserts. You can enjoy it straight from the bag or sprinkle it on ice cream. What we like. These white chocolate chips are made with cocoa butter, offering a smooth melt and sweet flavor. The small size makes them ideal for various baking applications. If you like a classic white chocolate experience with a smooth texture, this is the one for you. What people say. They melt beautifully and taste great. These are the best vegan white chocolate chips I have found. They are perfect for baking. Number 1. LIEBER'S Real White Chocolate Chips, gluten-free, vegan, kosher. Introducing LIEBER'S Real White Chocolate Chips. These delicious chips are perfect for all your baking needs. They are gluten-free, vegan, and kosher, making them a great choice for everyone. Enjoy the rich, creamy taste without any worries. This product is made without gluten and is suitable for vegans. It's a guilt-free treat that everyone can enjoy. These chocolate chips are certified kosher and non-GMO. You can trust the quality and ingredients. It's a healthy and delicious choice for your family. Looking for a treat that won't ruin your diet? These chips are low in calories. You can enjoy the great taste without the extra calories. Each pack contains 9 ounces of these amazing chips, and you get 3 packs. That's plenty for all your baking adventures. Get yours today. What we like. This white chocolate is gluten-free, vegan, and kosher, catering to various dietary needs. It's also non-GMO and low in calories. If you are looking for a guilt-free treat that aligns with your dietary restrictions, this is a great option. What people say. These chips are perfect for my white chocolate needs. These are decent tasting chips to use in baking and are free of animal products. I have been unable to find anything but white chips with no chocolate to make some of my favorite cookies. I was delighted with this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.